How to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot protected management frames on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on connections. After that, scroll down. Then in here, tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. After that, tap on mobile hotspot. Then we scroll down, and from here tap on ban, then tap on advanced. Now scroll down, then tap on protected management frames. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. In here, when you turn it on, it will enhance security on your mobile hotspot, but this may prevent some older devices from connecting. So if you are allowing older devices to connect to your hotspot, you may want to switch this off. And then tap on saved, and finally tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.